I just got to the farm today. It's been 2 months since I've been here. We made some significant changes in our practices and our spacing. I'm extremely impressed. We're going through a harvest. This is the first harvest of the second section. The quality of the product is fantastic. The size and the uniformity of the fruit is fantastic. The sugar count is high. We've done better than I expected. Very, very impressed. As we look at the finished product, our finished product is a puree, aseptic and frozen, diced, IQF or instant quick freeze products for the baby food and ingredients industry. So what I'm most impressed with is that 90% of the fruit that I've seen here in the fields is the same size and shape, 2 to 3 kilos. We're talking about, 6, almost 7-pound ayote squash. It's very impressive.
We have achieved so far very successful harvest.
So what we're finding in the marketplace today is that our customers are actually demanding sustainable farming practices and organic products. That's the trend. USA, Europe, the top tier companies, various ingredient companies, their customers are demanding organic. GFE Produce, where we're kind of in this second generation of farming practices. We started out a lot of R&D in other crops and learned various techniques that we're utilizing now in the food crop. Natural hormones for increased flowers, bringing in bees for increased pollination, using microsoil, which is an organic fertilizer, using ionized water that allows actually for a better absorption of the nutrients. So it's not only the right thing to do, it's a more cost-effective way to farm. We started actually years ago from the compliance perspective. So this is kind of that next phase for GFE, is really to truly adopt the true USDA organic processes, along with our other sustainable farming techniques. That's the trend of the marketplace. The samples that we've sent out to Nestle, to Gerber, to some of these other companies, their response has been very positive, especially when we talk about the organic certification, the sustainable farming techniques.
Eladio Campos is our chief agronomist in the Hige farm. What he has noted is that even though organic planting and harvest, it is a new transition that nobody is doing it commercially in Costa Rica. We have been adopting good practices and the right, correct products.
So we have secured actually the only capability for processing vegetables, organic, processed, aseptic puree in the country of Costa Rica. That's our capability. One of the most important aspects of our business is to be able to increase the economics on our side, to provide the highest quality product at the lowest possible price. So we're making the investments in order to do that. Some of the things that we're doing to improve the efficiencies on the farm is some of the equipment upgrades to actually reduce our electricity costs in half. Mechanized harvesting, larger boiler systems in our processing facility, automated cutting machines, those are significant. All of these things help to bring down the cost of the operations, to increase our margin and provide a more competitive price to the marketplace. Adjusting our farming practices to help increase the economics behind the venture is being key. So for us, it really helps with the agronomics. We want to be competitively priced in the marketplace. We want to offer a superior product with sustainable farming techniques. This is what's going to get their attention.